So rational expressions, example number 2, when we have this essentially fraction equal to this fraction, same idea, we can go right to cross multiply, and that puts me at x plus 1 times this denominator, x plus 4, equals this numerator, 2x plus 3, and that denominator, x plus 2. Once we're here, of course, we're going to FOIL. That becomes x squared plus 4 plus 1 plus 5x plus 4. I do FOIL in one step. I think it's quicker. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times x is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7x, and then 3 times 2 is 6. That's just our FOIL step. And then here I just collect like terms. I have a 2x squared and a 1x squared, so I'm going to pull the 1 over to this side just to keep my x squared positive. So 2x squared minus 1, of course, is just x squared. 7 take away 5 is going to be 2x, and then 6 take away 4 is also 2. And now that I'm here, if I can factor this, I try to find two numbers that add to 2 and multiply to 2. I can't find them, so I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So I'll just kick into, I'll just do it here, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 2 squared is 4, minus 4a is 1, c is 2, all over 2a, which is just 2. This becomes negative 2 plus or minus, this is 4 take away 4 times 2, which is 8, 4 take away 8. I better write that down, actually, root 4 take away 8 over 2. And this is going to become negative 2 plus or minus 4 take away 8 is negative 4 over 2. And I think we actually saw a question like this a little while ago. Let me just move that up there so you can see it. Okay. So from here, now I have this negative root, so we know how to deal with this. Negative 2 plus or minus, I'm going to make that root 4 times root negative 1. I'm basically finding two numbers that multiply to negative 4, one of which has an integer square root, so 4 over 2. And then this becomes negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4, you know, is 2. The square root of negative 1 is I over 2. And now I'm going to common factor a 2 out of the numerator. So negative 1 plus or minus I over 2. And of course, when I do that, the 2's divide out. That 2 divides out with that 2 becomes 1. And that leaves me with my answer, negative 1 plus or minus I.